Hi guys, welcome to the Simplify LLC channel. In this video, we're going to talk you through how to start an LLC in Delaware. Now, this is one of the best states for entrepreneurs for reasons we'll explain throughout the video. Plus, we'll give you helpful tips each step of the way. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like button and press the bell icon to subscribe and be notified when we publish a new video. All right, let's get started. If you're planning to do business in Delaware, registering your LLC in the state is a no-brainer. However, you may also consider registering a foreign LLC to take advantage of certain benefits, such as Delaware's private LLC member registration and a dedicated court of chancery. So if you'd like to register your LLC in Delaware, step one is, of course, to choose your name. In Delaware, you must add the words Limited Liability Company or the abbreviation LLC, or even just Limited for short. You're allowed to use other company words such as institute or association. Just avoid any words that suggest your business is a government entity, education center, or financial institution. And as always, make sure your name isn't already taken. Then reserve your name on the Delaware Secretary of State Division of Corporations website for a $75 fee. If you need to register a sub-brand or alternate name, you can request a DBA, which is short for Doing Business As. This is an additional $25. Next, for step two, choose your registered agent. This can be any person at least 18 years older with a physical address in Delaware. You can also designate a business entity as long as they're physically in the state. This has to be an actual address, not a PO box. Obviously, this can be tricky if you're registering a foreign LLC. You may not want business mail or process servers showing up at this address. Here's a tip. In those cases, book a registered agent company. They will serve as your official agent for a fee, usually about $50 to $300 annually. Step three is to file your Articles of Organization. In Delaware, this is called your Certificate of Formation for Domestic LLCs. It's a simple document that lists your LLC details, plus the name and address of your registered agent. Be sure to secure your designated agent before you do this. Then, simply fill out the form on the Delaware Division of Corporations website and pay your filing fee. For domestic LLCs, it's $90. For foreign LLCs, it's $200, and you'll technically be filing a certification of registration. Either way, the process is the same. Once the state approves your application, which takes about 7 to 10 days, you'll receive a copy. And we recommend requesting a certified copy for $50. All right, now that all that's done, it's time for step four, get your EIN or Employer Identification Number. This comes from the IRS and it's what you'll use to report taxes, open a business bank account, and list on any W-2s or 1099s you send out. Step five is to prepare your operating agreement. This describes your LLC members' rights and responsibilities. This is technically optional and you don't have to make your agreement before registering. If you do nothing, the Delaware LLC Act will be considered your operating agreement. However, we recommend that you make your own just to cover your bases. An operating agreement provides extra liability protection for members and clearly explains everyone's obligations and entitlements. Those include voting rights, capital contributions, member distributions, and so on. Definitely things you don't want to leave up to generic law. You're not required to file this operating agreement with the state. Just be sure to keep it with your records. By the way, if you're wondering about annual reports, the good news is that you don't have to submit those for a Delaware LLC, and there's no cost to renew your LLC each year. So finally, let's talk about taxes. Delaware has relatively lower taxes for business than other states. Expect to pay an annual franchise tax of $300 every year on June 1st. And of course, you may need to pay taxes on gross receipts or employment. So be sure to register your LLC with the Division of Revenue and check for any licenses you need to get. The good news is that there's no state sales tax in Delaware. Each member will pay individual taxes on their income from the LLC. Check out our other videos on LLC pass-through taxes if you need guidance on that. And that's it. Delaware is great for businesses that want greater privacy, lower taxes, and to avoid the hassle of annual reports and renewals. You don't have to pay the annual franchise tax and probably the gross receipts tax as well, but that may very well be worth the benefits. Plus, we love Delaware's easy online portal to handle the entire LLC registration process. We cover this topic thoroughly on our website, so check with us to find out more. Visit our website, SimplifyLLC.com. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. And don't forget to check out the rest of our channel for more help simplifying your LLC. That's it for today. We'll see you next time.